Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what passive income means. Passive income refers to money earned with minimal effort. Next, familiarize yourself with SoFi, an online financial services platform. Create an account on the SoFi website. Provide the necessary personal information, including your email and banking details. Verify your identity by following the on-screen prompts. Once your account is set up, explore the investment options available. Consider SoFi Invest, which allows you to buy stocks and ETFs. Start with fractional shares to lower your initial investment requirements. Research and select investments that align with your financial goals. Next, look into SoFi Automated Investing. This feature creates a diversified portfolio for you. It's ideal if you prefer a hands-off approach. Determine your risk tolerance before proceeding. SoFi also offers a high-yield savings account. This account can help you grow your cash while maintaining liquidity. Transfer funds from your checking or savings account into your SoFi account. Take advantage of SoFi's referral program to earn bonuses. Invite friends and family to join and earn rewards when they sign up. Explore SoFi's other products like loans and credit cards for additional benefits. Keep track of your investments and savings through the SoFi app. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as necessary. Educate yourself continuously by accessing SoFi's resources and webinars. Set financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Stay disciplined and consistent with your investments over time. Monitor market trends to make informed decisions. Remember, building passive income takes time and patience. Following these steps can help you effectively increase your passive income with SoFi. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.